Welcome back, students. Let us start second part, determinants of demand. What are the determinants of demand? So, the demand for a commodity depends on number of factors. Together, these factors determine the demand. Following are the important determinants of demand for a commodity X. Commodity X is we are taking the example. So QX, commodity X. The number one factor is price, PX. The price of the commodity is the most important determinant of demand. There is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. The main factor is price. Second factor, income, which is considered as Y. Consumers' income is an important determinant of demand for a commodity. Income and demand are directly related. When the income rises, demand also rises. Third, prices of related commodities, that is PY and PZ, price of Y and price of Z. Related commodities can be either substitutes or complementary commodities. If commodities X and Y are substitutes, then a rise in price of Y will result in the rise in the quantity demanded for X. For example, toothpaste, soaps, shampoos, etc. If the price of Pear's soap is higher and Rexona is less, people will demand Rexona, not Pear's soap. This is as simple as such. Complementary commodities are used along with each other. For example, bread and butter, car and petrol, etc. If commodities X and Z are complementary product, then rise in the price of Z will result in the quantity demanded for X commodity. Next, taste and preference, T. Consumers' likes and dislikes will determine the demand for the products. These are influenced by fashion trends, tradition, culture, style preferences, etc. Taste and preferences change over a period of time. Accordingly, there is a change in demand. Next, size and distribution of population, it is called as N. The size of the population at local, regional, national and international levels is a key determinant of the volume of demand for a product. Next, consumers' expectations, E. Future expectations about price of the commodity, prices of related commodities, future availability and consumers' income are the important determinants of demand. Next, expenditure on advertising and promotion, A. Advertisement and promotional campaigns influence demand in favor of concerned products. Next, cost of credit or interest rate, I. People borrow money from banks and financial institutions to purchase consumer goods like cars, televisions, etc. The rate of interest, when the interest rate changes, they are the important determining factors affecting the demand for such commodities. Next, social factors, S. The demand for a commodity is also affected by social factors like customs, traditions, etc. These factors are culture, language, religion, and caste specific. Social factors change over time, and so the producers need to constantly track such changes. Like we can say that nowadays the demand for laptops, smartphones are more, not the demand for typewriters. So these are the determinants of demand. Students, the question can be explain the determinants of demand, and you have to give all the 9 factors which are responsible to determine the demand for commodity. Here in the example we have taken demand for commodity X. It is applicable to all the commodities, right? Thank you very much.